I just bought this brand new dividend stock, and before I reveal the ticker symbol, let me see if you can guess it just based off this price performance. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't, but let's look at the price of this. So, as we can see, it has gone down like crazy in the past few weeks here. Like, here is the weekly chart. Um, and here was, of course, the COVID levels, like around here, this dip. But let me go ahead and show you the ticker symbol. So this is actually ticker symbol GIS or General Mills. It has a market cap of $38 billion. Dollars. A market cap of $38 billion, dollars, and they have revenue of $5.03 billion. Dollars. Now I'm going to actually dig into the financials and show you a little bit more about the dividends and how much it costs for their dividend and how much their stock buyback program is. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at it together. So right now the yield is 3.58%. That's crazy for such a simple stock. At this price right now with the growth they've been having. So check out the dividend growth right here. So it just went up from 54 cents to 59 cents. So you're starting to see that growth there. It's not huge, but again, this is General Mills, And since 2020 was 51 cents, so now it's 59. Not too bad. And let's go ahead and show you how much. Oh yeah, here's some of the analysts, I guess. Right now it's under all of the analyst price targets. According to Weeble. But let's go ahead and look at the actual financials. So net income of $596 million, a little down from last year, but that's one of the more important numbers we want to look at. Operating cash flow of $751 million. So now let's look at how much their dividend cost them. So their dividend cost them only $320 million. So that's nothing compared to their net income. Well, it's not nothing, but they can easily cover that and easily raise it if they wanted to. And let's look at their stock buyback program. So they've been making so much money, they've been buying back their own stock. So in the past couple of quarters, as you can see, they bought back 187 million, 200 million, and we can verify that by going to their total common shares outstanding and seeing from 1 year ago it was 598 million. Now it's 586 million. So it really is eating down those shares. And another thing we can look at just to also make sure is their common stock. They haven't been raising their common stock, so this is another really good thing to see. Right now, it looks like they have cash on hand of $585 million. That's not too bad for a $37 billion company. And if we see how much debt they have debt of $20.75 billion. So I think they could pay this off if they wanted to instead of doing stock buybacks in like 2 to 3 years. So they don't really have that much debt. They're just leveraged because they can be. So yeah, guys, if you have any thoughts on General Mills, let me know in the comments. The market's kind of going a couple different directions today. Let me show you this. Oh, look at ONL. Does anyone remember Orion Office REIT? This was when Realty Income spun off this as into like a different stock. This used to be part of Realty Income, but look at this. It's at basically its lowest price ever. What does it yield? 7.43%. I probably wouldn't touch this because it's an office REIT. But yeah, oh my gosh, Groupon down 7% today. Lending Tree, Penn. What's up with Penn? How's Penn been doing? Oh geez, they've not been doing good, man. Wow. Looks like Airbnb is up 8% today. That's kind of crazy. Wonder if there's some news over there. There probably is. Tesla up 4%. It's kind of weird. Some stocks are up, some stocks are down, but it looks like most are down today. Oh yeah, now let me show you where I actually bought it on. So I bought these shares on Moomoo. As you know, I just started this portfolio, completely different from my Robinhood and Weeble portfolio. But yeah, I bought two shares today. I picked them up at 65, basically $66 today. Bought two shares, so it's not a lot, and I'm considering adding more. I just want to wait. Now let's do some analysis on Moomoo. I really like this because you can see the region breakdown. So they actually have a lot of revenue coming from not the United States. And of course, that's cool to see. And they also break down the revenue. So we got snacks at 22% of the revenue, then cereal, meals, pet, dough. So they sell all kinds of stuff, and it's really cool to see. We can see all this information here on Moomoo. So if y'all actually want to download Moomoo and seriously want to download it, I made a video explaining all about Moomoo. And if you want to support me because I make no money off these videos, check out my affiliate link to sign up for Moomoo. It'll help me out, and it'll give you $50 for free if you deposit $100 and a couple free stocks. So with that being said, hope you have a great rest of your day. My name is Nathan Rob.